Hi, Becky Wells here with some of the new titles we have with Usborne Books and More in 2016. So we're going to start with Baby Animals. We now have 2 in this new Young Beginners series. And if you're familiar with our regular beginners series, you'll see that these pages just have a little less text, more simple, larger graphics, single graphics per page, that type of thing. We have baby animals here and flowers. My very first series now has a 3rd book in the series, Dinosaurs. My son's favorite book. You'll see these heavy pages here for younger readers to look at. Lots of dinosaurs in here, actually new dinosaurs to us, which is a great thing in our house. I also want to share that in case you have a concern, there is a page on evolution. So just wanted to, 2-page spread on that. Just wanted to share that in case that's a concern. Are you familiar with our Shine a Light books? They are our best-selling series. Here we have 3 new ones. So now we have a total of 9. On the Plane, On the Space Station, and Secrets of the Vegetable Garden are the new ones in the spring catalog. So if you're not familiar with how these work, let's get a page here. Look at this page. It says, this Boeing 737 can carry 215 people. Each person has a seat number on a ticket. Where is the baggage stored? So I really suggest this if you're going on a trip, obviously, but then also especially if you have a child who is, and you see my flashlight here, is showing what's hidden, then you can learn what's the science behind it on the page afterwards. We'll show you on the space station, but this On the Plane, if you have a child that is a little hesitant of new things, you can kind of get them used to what their first plane ride is going to be like. Here's just a few pages of On the Space Station. Okay, for our older readers, we have some new books in the True Stories series. This is True Stories of Gangsters, and we'll look at the contents page, and I'll read a bit from the back. From Al Capone's reign of terror in Chicago to the last stand of Ned Kelly in the Australian bush, most gangsters lived lives of cold, calculating violence, living hard and dying young. So there's 11 stories in here. We have another couple in that series too that you should check out. A Year in My Life. This will be a wonderful keepsake book. I wish I had this about 20 years ago in middle school, and I could look at today, what my life was like. So let's take a look at some of the things. 221, write something lucky that has happened to you. 222, this guy looks lonely, draw a magician to keep him company. So there's just different things, thoughts on what your day was like, what your thoughts were like. Draw an alternate universe. Well, what would an alternate universe have been 20 years ago when I was in middle school? What a great keepsake and what a fun activity for our middle schoolers. If you have not heard of our Wipe Clean books, get one now. I cannot say enough about these books. Well, right now we have a couple new dot-to-dot ones. This is the animals one. I love that it has numbers at the top and letters at the bottom, so kids are working on that recognition of those numbers and letters. They can do the dot-to-dots, then work on the letters for that word, for that animal. Great option, and of course it just wipes clean off afterwards. We have new capital letters and lowercase letters. I want to show you this. It's awesome. It has how to correctly hold a pen so they can get reminded of that. And then I love how this lowercase letters book is organized. Really, this is how my son learns letters in school, by which ones and how the shapes of the letters. And here we're working on all these curvy letters, some of the pen control for that. And then it moves into all the letters, and they can draw and make the letters part of the pictures, plus have a practice line on all these. It is a wonderful way for kids to have fun practicing their letters. Okay, we have a new doodle book. Now we have fashion, we have coloring books, all these different doodle books. This is Make Buildings. This is for your budding architects and engineers. Look at these prompts. They're so much fun. Woof. Little Trixie wants a better home and dreams of living in luxury. Can you draw her a new home? So there's so many different and fun prompts that you'd never even expect for some fun doodling. Then at the back we have one more page, I think. We have some information on some of the most famous buildings in our world. Cut and Color Playbook Seasons. This is really fun. Basically, it's building a layered image. So let's look at one. It tells you how to use the book. Then we have, let's look at winter. So they're going to create this with different layers. So they'll cut the border, and then it gives them the cutting, where to cut. Then they color this part, and then they cut it out and layer it on, and page upon page gets colored and then cut out and added on. So that's just a really fun new activity book. And the last book I'm going to show you is Art Designs to Color. I don't know about you, but my kids love coloring. I love coloring with them for great bonding time, great before bedtime for my 4-year-old to help him calm down. But I use a book like this, so I have some intricate fun patterns for me, and I'm not coloring, you know, basic coloring pages for my kids. They have their own coloring book, and I have mine, and we just talk and chat while coloring. Well, if you're familiar with some of our design coloring books, this one does not have pre-colored pages anymore. It does have an informative page before every section. You know, there's Art Deco patterns, Art Nouveau patterns, and it'll tell you information about that style and what the colors would have been like, but then you have no pre-colored pages. So this is a great new combined volume of different art designs. So that's all I have for you today. I hope you try out some of our new nonfiction and activity books, and have a great day.